Hello and welcome to Graphastic. This is me Fazilat Ali Ahmed and today we are going to learn how to create glow effect on anything using Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Select the quick selection tool and start selecting the main object. Press Alt and click to reselect the area. After selecting it, click on Refine Edge. Select View option to overlay. Click the brush and refine the edges. Select the output option to new layer with layer mask and click OK. Now click on the mask while holding down the control button. Select the polygon lasso tool and select the whole image except the pumpkin. It's a bit tricky, so watch it attentively. Now click on the thumbnail and copy it by using shortcut Ctrl J. See, we have successfully separated the object we want to add glow to. Now select the background layer and select color lookup option. From here, select the moonlight. Select the black and white color adjustment and lower the opacity of it. Right-click the layer 1 and select Create the Group option. Convert the object to Smart Object. Make a copy of layer using Ctrl J and set the blending mode of it to Linear Dodge. From Filters, select the Gaussian Blur under Blur Options. Set its value and click OK. Make copy of it and double-click the Gaussian Blur option. Change the value and click OK. Keep repeating the process until you are satisfied with the results. Select the group and add hue and saturation. Adjust the color according to your need. Now select the background copy and select curves and do adjustments. Select the brush tool, lower the flow level and make sure the forecolor is black. Copy the hue and saturation layer and place it above the curve layer. Invert the mask using Ctrl+I. Click on mask and select brush tool. Make sure the forecolor is white. Adjust the opacity. Now go to the file and select Place Embedded and select the image. Resize it. Set the blending mode to screen. Add mask to it and invert it using Ctrl I. Create level adjustment layers and adjust it. Add the crisp warm color lookup and adjust the opacity of it. Ta-da! We're done! That's all for today. Hope you like it and learn from it too. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and do subscribe my channel as I'm gonna upload more videos that will help you grow. If you have any queries, feel free to contact either on Instagram, Facebook, or you can also comment here. I will catch you in the next video. Happy learning!